Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathina Antoinette. I don't know how much y'all could hear. I was trying to do another video. My neighbors are outside being super loud. Your girl needs to move. Tired of living in the hood. I didn't get all these student loans to stay in the hood. But anyway, let's do a different type of video. Let's get unready. Let's get naked. Let's take off our makeup together today. I am going to use almond oil. I know I'm gonna take my shirt off so I won't mess up my shirt. I know a lot of people like to use coconut oil, but coconut oil my face doesn't like that. And the babasu oil that I tell y'all about all the time, it costs too much to just be using it to get this stuff off. So tonight I'm going to use my sweet almond oil. Sometimes I do use castor oil. Castor oil is so thick though. Like it's just so gunky. So yeah, first that one's pretty loose. Pop these lashes off. Oh, there she is. All right. So almond oil. Ooh. Ooh. Let me get closer. Bye, eyebrows. This is just a wet paper towel. This was recorded about a week ago. Since then, I did like a zero waste binge watch on YouTube. Don't use a paper towel. Please get a reusable cloth. All right, so we have removed our makeup. Now I'm just gonna wash my face and do a bentonite clay mask. Oh, I love oil cleansing because you don't feel so like stripped after you wipe your makeup off. Like when you do it with like a paper towel, like go get the cheap paper towels and then you wet them and you just get all of that makeup off. And I like doing this instead of the makeup wipe because the makeup wipe strips me too much. But with this, I still like the oil is still there on my face. So it's like I can feel comfortable with, you know, doing a good like lathery wash on my face and putting a mask on without feeling like my skin is irritated. All right, so I just used some soap to wash my face. Now I am all clean. I'm going to do a clay mask because I had my makeup on for a super long time. And then I'm going to hop in a shower. Woo! So yeah, Thank you for sitting with me and removing my makeup. I'm back to normal now. I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on that notification bell. That way, every time I post a new video, you guys will know. Y'all know I'm a little all over the place with the videos. Sometimes they come 3 times a week, 4 times a week, once a week, Monday, Tuesday, maybe Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You never know. So just, you know, turn on that bell so that way you won't miss a beat. Stay hydrated and recycle. I'll see you guys. Bye.